Hello. Okay, I can see people are joining in. Hello, everyone. Yes, now we have. Hi. Hi, Rekha. Hi, Rupa. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. So, welcome everyone for yet another live session with Amul. First thing first, I wish to apply my. Hello, can everyone hear me properly? Am I audible? Can you all please just give me a thumbs up if I'm audible enough? Just show me a thumbs up if I'm audible. Okay, okay, good. So, as I was saying, welcome everyone to yet another live session of Amul India. I would like to first express my gratitude towards Amul. Thank you so much, Amul, for providing an opportunity and a platform where the chefs like me can come here and share our recipes. So today I'll be sharing a recipe of which is very close to my heart actually, which belongs to my region from where I belong. It's Shegaon Kachori. Shegaon is the place in Vidarbha, very well known actually. So many of you might be knowing about it. The Maharashtrian who belongs to Maharashtra knows Shegaon very well. So I hope Shegaon is a place where basically two three things are famous of. One very first is it is the place of our Aradhya Devat of Vidarbha, Sant Shri Gajanan Maharaj. Then second thing which is very famous of Shegaon is the kachori, and that too the Sharma ki kachori. Sharma ji was having a stall near the railway station basically. So in a very small little span of time, the kachori, the taste of it got liked by everyone. So yes, it was then famous for a long years. Actually, the recipe was kept hidden or secret maybe, but yes, slowly gradually people like me started experimenting many things with the ingredients as it was a secret, and slowly we came up with the idea that okay, these can be added, this can be omitted, things like that. So yes, I'm showing you today the very close, very nearby, very authentic Shegaon kachori today. So for now, as many of you have already joined in, let me introduce myself. Namaskar. माझे नाव पायल जाधव. My name is Payal Jadhav. Welcome to Amul's Maharashtrian special. I'm preparing Shegaon Kachori today. I'll come to the ingredients and the later part of it. First, let me just tell you a few things about myself. I'm an HR professional working in the industry since long, like 10 more years basically. And slowly, gradually, I started liking towards the cooking and maybe trying new recipes and stuff like that. But then definitely one very big thing happened to me, and that's Pula. Pula is a group of Facebook basically with the more than 2 lakh of ladies in around Ant of Pune who basically, yes. Yeah, so yeah, as I was saying, Pula is a group where all the ladies, like it's a ladies group basically. So where I started, showcasing my recipes, and within a very short span of time, with the love and affection and appreciation which I received from Pula, the things went, like goes on and on till date. So yes, I'm a food blogger. I'm a recipe blogger basically now. So let's start the recipe. I think good amount of people have already joined in. Let's start. Let me show you the ingredients now. What we need for Shegaon Kachori. Okay, many of you might have tried it. Maybe somewhere in Shegaon, or nowadays they have outlet with the in and around Pune and Mumbai or many more places basically. Many have many recipes. Everyone chooses to have their own type of ingredients in it. But trust me, I've tried moong dal, I've tried with besan, I've tried with maybe the chilka wala moong dal as well. But the taste was not that similar. But the one I am showing it to you today is very close to the recipe which belongs to Sharma ji ki kachori. So the main ingredient here, what I am using is the watana or maybe green peas, what we call. But we are not using the fresh one. We are using the dried watana basically. हम लोग ड्राई जो ग्रोसरी शॉप में हमें मिलता है वो वाटाणा या वो ग्रीन पीस या जो ड्राई वाला होता है वो यूज करेंगे. इसको हमें ओवरनाइट सोक करना है पानी में, अच्छे अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर में. यू हैव टू सोक इट ओवरनाइट. Then the next morning pressure cooker it like nicely, because this takes little longer time to cook basically. So pressure cooker it, and then maybe strain the excess water, okay, and then grind it in a mixer. We need a very rough, maybe rough texture of it. If you can see it properly, I hope it is visible to you. It's smooth but still has a rough texture. But okay, it's visible, right? Okay, so this is the green peas soaked overnight, boiled in the next morning, and then crushed in the mixer grinder for like about 2 to 3 minutes. So this is the main ingredient what we are using for the filling of the kachori. And along with this, what we will need is mustard seed, a teaspoon of mustard seed basically, or a half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then yeah, I hope it's visible to you all. Okay, is a turmeric powder. Then I'm using an amchur powder. We'll take a teaspoon of amchur powder basically, a salt to taste. And this is the main ingredient again, along with the green peas. I wish you should use the saunf. Saunf basically gives a very nice soothing taste to the kachoris. So this is basically dry roasted and crushed very roughly. If you can see, I hope it's visible. It just crushed roughly and it's dry roasted. And we'll need asafoetida, hing, and this is a green chutney or paste or thesa in short, what we call basically in Maharashtra. The ingredients I've used in this are green chilies, like about 8 to 10 green chilies are here. Then 7 to 8 garlic cloves, half an inch of adrak, ginger, and a teaspoon of jeera, cumin seed, and a bunch like full and a handful of bunch of green fresh coriander leaves, and few 8 to 10 curry leaves. So this is the basically crushed or roughly paste which I have made out of it. If you can just see. मेक श्योर कि आप इसको बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ या बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम पेस्ट वाला कंसिस्टेंसी ना बनाए. ये रफली अगर वो मुंह में आता है ना, इट गिव्स यू अ वेरी नाइस flavor of it. So again, yes, then we need oil for the tadka. This is about the filling of the kachori. I hope I'm clear enough. And girls and guys, if you have any queries, please start putting up your questions out here. I'll try and answer all the questions. And if not, I have a page named by Happy Cooking by Payal. So you can visit my page. I have already posted this recipe along with the proper ingredients and stepwise photos as well. So you will not miss out on anything of basically. So you can visit Happy Cooking by Payal on Facebook, and you can see all the ingredients and all the measurements basically. Because in this, I feel measurement plays a very, crucial part. So let's now move quickly towards the covering part of it. So for covering, today I'm using maida. Usually what I do, like if I use 2 cup, like around this recipe, this filling would need around 3 cups of maida or any flour basically. So which normally I use 2 cups of maida and 1 cup of gehu ka atta or wheat atta basically. But today I am using only maida just to show you, because maida gives you that khasta basically thing, which we really need in the kachori. When you add wheat to it, definitely it doesn't give you that particular taste or maybe the khasta thing. So I'm using here you can see I'm just taking 1.5 cup because I've already made a dough out of it because this has to rest for a while. So here I'll be showing you with the half of the ingredients today. This is 1.5 cup of maida, for which we'll need the moin the oil of around 1/4 cup basically. इसका कम ज़्यादा हम कर सकते हैं. It's all depends on the maida and the quality of maida basically. So you take 1/4 cup of oil, but see to it that I hope it's visible now. Okay. You see to it that it binds well together. I'll show you how to check if the maida में मोइन बराबर है कि नहीं. और ये ठंडा ऑयल है. We are not using the hot oil basically. हॉट ऑयल और ठंडा ऑयल लेने में सिर्फ दो ही डिफरेंस है. एक की ठंडा ऑयल अगर हम मोइन के तौर पे लेते हैं तो उससे कचौरी हो या कोई भी चीज़ हो खस्ता बनती है. And the hot oil, if you use, the things becomes crispy basically. So if you want the crispy things, put the hot oil, and if you want the khasta particular like in samosas or kachoris, we prefer the cold oil. So let's start making the dough first. So you can see I've taken 1.5 cup of maida. Now I'm pouring the oil in it. Slowly start mixing the oil together. Don't rush into add water. Basically, first the oil has to be binded well in the maida. Okay, now you can see the way I am doing. Just start mixing everything well together. This process basically makes our kachori khasta, crispy, and the crunchy wala feeling. If the oil is not enough, then your kachoris may become little chewingy or soggy. So make sure that you have right amount of oil in it. I'll pour the entire portion of oil. Mix everything well together. Okay, now you see everything is mixed, and if I hold like this, see it's still cracking up, right? So the oil is less. Basically oil अगर आपका कम ज़्यादा है तो आपका कचौरी ठीक नहीं बनेगा. So make sure you keep on adding. थोड़ा 1 चम्मच कम ज़्यादा हो सकता है. No worries about it. Okay, now I think it's good enough. Okay, now if I bind it, see, I hope it's visible. This is the basically consistency we require. Okay, that's the main part of it. So I've added around 1 teaspoon oil extra. Now I've taken this half cup of water, but I don't think we should require that particular amount of water basically to knead the dough. We need a very not very hard, not very soft dough for this. So we need a semi hard dough which we will be resting for another 15 to 20 minutes. So ultimately after 15-20 minutes the maida or the flour all-purpose flour starts oozing out the water outside. So basically I would prefer to have the hard dough than a soft dough. So let's knead it well. I hope you all can see me properly. Okay, and one more thing, basically the maida. Usually nowadays, we have a habit of keeping all the attas or the grains in the refrigerator. Reason behind the moisture in the weather, because it spoils anyways. So what we can do before making anything out of maida or flours, basically make sure that it is in the room temperature. So take out the maida and the flowers before you start making it, around 1 or 2 hours before basically. Okay, so add little by little water and then make the dough out of it. See, now you can see it's coming together. I will not use extra water. I'll just press and try to take everything and bind together. Okay, it's little dry, so we'll add just a teaspoon of water. Resting a dough is again very important, everyone, because if you will not rest this dough, then you will have cracks in your kachoris. बाहर मौसम अच्छा ठंडा ठंडा हो गया है, बारिश बस आने ही वाली है. हम कचौरियाँ गर्मा गर्म निकालेंगे. साइड बाय साइड मैंने चाय भी रख दी है. So we'll have kachori and chai together. So here, this is the way we need it. It's quite dry, quite hard. Cover it with a wet cloth or maybe cover it with a lid and keep it aside for minimum of 20 minutes. Okay. So we don't have that much of time. So what I have done is I have already prepared the dough and see, the dough when it's ready will be soft like this. Okay, so give me a minute. Okay, now our dough is resting, or rather our dough is ready. So let's start making the filling for it. Okay, first I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. As you can see, the kadai is already heating up for the kachoris to deep fry, because we need a smoking hot oil to fry the kachoris. So I have kept it heating up. Okay, the oil is hot enough. Let's add our mustard seeds. Let it crackle. I hope it's visible enough. Till the time, I'll just add my chai ka ingredients and I'll keep the tea ready. Okay, let's start it crackling. Let's add a pinch of hing, asafoetida. Now we'll add this green paste or green crushed. Actually, I have used the whole mirch or the raw green chili basically. I haven't roasted or fried that green chilies. So we have to make sure that it's cooked well. Otherwise that will be harmful for the stomach if it is not cooked well. The green chilies has to be cooked well. They'll turn a little crispy or change the color. Then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Wow, the aroma is beautiful. Okay, now it's good enough. Let's add our soft, roasted and crushed soft. Then we'll add amchur powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and salt. If you have noticed, I haven't put salt in the covering of the kachoris basically, because Shegaon kachori is little different than the normal kachoris what we usually eat. So the covering doesn't have the namak in it or the salt in it. So when you're making the filling, make sure that you add extra pinch of salt in it to adjust the taste. Okay, the spices are roasted well. Let's add our green peas paste. Mix everything well. घर वालों को जब खांसी और ये आने लगे तो समझिएगा कि तड़का बराबर बैठा है. This has a green chili in it, so definitely when you put green chili in the oil, it loses the smoke. Okay, now you can see. अभी आपको थोड़ा मॉइस्चर इसमें दिख रहा है. We have to cook this particular mixture till it basically squeeze out the entire water. थोड़ा सा ड्राई होने तक हमें इसको पकाना है. ये ऑलरेडी पका हुआ है. जैसे हम लोगों ने ग्रीन पीस को सोक करके ओवरनाइट देन प्रेशर कुक करके हम लोगों ने इसको यूज कर रहे हैं, बट स्टिल it has to release the water. This will take another 7 to 8 minutes. तो इसको अभी हम कवर करके अराउंड 7 to 8 minutes इसको कवर करके आपको कुक करना है. बीच बीच में आप सौते कीजिए इसको. मेक श्योर दैट it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Make sure that you saute well. This will require now, as I said, 7 to 8 minutes to cook well, and then rest it till it cools down completely. So basically, as it would again will take time, what I have done is I've made sure that we don't take too much of time in the live video. So I have prepared this is the final outcome, the filling basically. This will be the filling. If you can see the texture, see, it's not too sticky, it's not too what do you call, ज़्यादा दरदरा है, like ज़्यादा सूखा भी नहीं है, ज़्यादा गीला भी नहीं है actually. So it's the right consistency, because what we will need to do now is we will start rolling the balls of it to get the perfect filling for the kachoris. So here is my atta well rested. Then I have my filling ready, cool down completely. Okay, now we'll start making the balls first out of the covering. अच्छा, अभी इसका प्रोपोर्शन यूजुअली जो हम बाहर कचौरी खाते, कांदा कचौरी या बाहर जो राजस्थानी स्टाइल कचौरी हम लोग खाते हैं, उसमें यूजुअली होता है कवरिंग का पार्ट मोटा होता है एंड द फिलिंग इज छोटा. बट देन शेगाव कचौरी इज कंप्लीटली उल्टा, बिकॉज दिस हैज a good amount of filling in it. So we would need, just to give you a rough idea, how the for the small size of the balls basically. This has to be the covering part of the covering ball has to be of size of a lemon, and the ball of the filling, we'll just take the small amount and press it like this. So a lemon size of covering and avla size or gooseberry size of the filling. That's what we would need. I'll saute this in between. आई होप आपको क्लियर है, आवाज भी पिक्चर भी, और आपको कोई क्वेश्चन अगर है तो आप पूछ सकते हो बीच बीच में. आई ट्राई एंड आंसर ऑल द क्वेरीज. Okay, now again to make the kachoris, there are two ways. If you are comfortable making it as in modak, तो आप अपने हाथ में ऐसे रोल कर सकते हो पूरे गोले को और make a katori shape to fill the filling. Or else, anyways, we'll be rolling this to. Okay, let's enjoy the music along. So let's roll this a bit. अच्छे से रोल करके. ओके, अभी हम इसमें ये जो फिलिंग का हम लोगों ने बॉल बनाया था, इसको ऐसे प्रेस करेंगे, फ्लैट करेंगे एंड ट्राई टू कवर इट फ्रॉम दी ऑल द साइड्स. मोदक के जैसे इसको उठा के फिर प्रेस करना है एंड देन प्रेस इट. As this particular kachori has good amount of filling in it, make sure कि आप अच्छे से इसको बंद करते हो. अभी हम इसको रोल करेंगे. शेगांव की कचौरी जो है वो थोड़ी सी फ्लैट होती है. इट डजंट कम आउट लाइक फूली हुई कचौरी. ये थोड़ी सी फ्लैट होती है नेचर में. वेरी जेंटली roll this. Okay, let's check our oil. Oil is hot enough, it's taking the smoke out of it. We'll just saute the filling. Now if it is visible, you can see it has changed the color and it has dried out a little. So what I'll do, this is the time I'll switch off the gas and then let it rest. So once this will basically cool down completely, we'll have the texture like as I shown it to you. So let's switch off the gas. Okay, the oil is hot enough. Initially to take your, okay, let me just show it to you this side. Okay, so you have to make sure that the oil is of smoking consistency. ये धुआंधार होना चाहिए ऑयल. और जब हम इसमें कचौरी डालें तो हम इसको सिम कर दें और सिम पे ये कचौरी अच्छे से हम लोगों को फ्राई करनी है. कि धुआं निकल रहा है. लेट्स अभी इसको हाथ नहीं लगाएंगे. लेट इट हैव लिटिल ब्राउनिश कलर. ओके, देन we'll flip it. Yes, do we have any comments or anything anyone wants to know about it? Okay, let's flip it. Time to add ginger to my tea. So along with garma garam kachoris, our tea is also getting ready. I'll prepare the second kachori meanwhile. कचौरी फ्राई करने के लिए बिल्कुल भी हड़बड़ी मत कीजिए, उसको अच्छे से कुक होने दीजिए, तो ही वो खस्ता, तो ही वो क्रिस्पीनेस जो हमें चाहिए वो हमें मिल पाएगा. Any questions? Please turn the camera down. Okay. I think it's visible enough now. Slowly flip it.
Can you please repeat the filling ingredient?
Filling ingredients? Sure. Before I end this session, I'll definitely repeat the entire process. And meanwhile, if you want to have proper measurement of the ingredients and the ingredients, you can visit my page, which is Happy Cooking by Payal on Facebook. You can get all the ingredients, all the measurement and stepwise photos of the same recipe. And before I end this session, I'll definitely repeat the entire process.
Wouldn't the hot oil brown covering quickly?
Sorry?
Wouldn't the hot oil brown the covering quickly? How would we know if the inside is also cooked?
Yes, if you want to get the crispy covering, basically crispy outer outer to the kachori, then we have to keep it on a smoking hot temperature. And once that is the only reason, then we simmer the gas and let it cook, so that the inner covers and the inner layer of the kachori and the filling itself gets the proper hit. So then it will be cooked properly. And I'll show you once it's done. I'll just show it to you. You can see that this has a proper. See. Can you hear that? That's the crispy and khasta kachori we have. As one more is ready. Okay, till the time this is getting ready, let me prepare . Flip the kachori now, as one side is golden enough. Any more questions?
Please repeat your wrong name.
Sure. Okay, so here I am with the Shegao kachori, or you can call it Matar kachori as well, or this is what belongs to my region, my native place, Shegao, and I hope you all must have liked. Thank you, Itashri, for sharing the name of my page. That's Happy Cooking by Payal on Facebook. You all can see me there. There are lots of Vidarbhian, Khandeshi and fusion recipes as well, which I have already posted. So there are Vidarbhian dishes like Patodi Rasa, then a misal pav. Then I have posted many other recipes as well actually, which you can check it out. If you like, please do follow me on Facebook about Happy Cooking by Payal. And here I am ready with my Shegao Kachori. This cannot be eaten without a mirchi. So a fried mirchi with pinch of salt over it, and we are ready to go. So I'll just open this and I'll show it to you. The layers of this actually. Okay, you can see. So that's one dish from me. I hope I'll join you all for more sessions like this. I hope you all liked it and understood it well actually. So do let me know, do comment, do let me know if you like it. I'll see you all one more time, I guess. So till then, take care, keep yourself healthy, happy, and do follow me, Happy Cooking by Payal. Thank you so much, guys. Is there anything like, are there any questions? Okay. Thank you.